Hello everyone, welcome back to Tongbos YouTube channel. On this video, I will show you how to check Play Store download history. So the first, we have to click our profile picture on here. Then we have to click Manage Apps and Device. For the app we have deleted, we can click tab Manage at here. Then click this filter. So we click, then click Not Installed. Here they are. Your all apps include games that you have installed, but you deleted it. If you want to install it again, you have to click this checkbox. Then click download icon. So it will install it, download it, and install it on your phone. So this is how to check Play Store download history. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy!